All right, hey guys, welcome. This is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a cool new listing here for you in Wedgefield. We are in East Orlando, 19603 Glen Elm Way, here in the beautiful gated reserve neighborhood of Wedgefield. Wedgefield is a very unique community in that it's on the east side of town. It's actually on the way to the beach, so it's much closer than most areas. You have 520 in Colonial where that meets. That's where we are right now. Lots of open spaces. We have big yards. We have open space, green area. We have conservation. The amenities included in the reserve here are a community pool and a playground. And then there's also the general Wedgefield Park, as well as the golf course and restaurant clubhouse over there. You can check that out. But with this house, we have a special, nice, quaint house here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, about 1,600 square feet. You're gonna love the price. Let's go check it out. All right, so welcome home. So right when we enter, we have the formal living area adjoining with the formal dining area, beautifully featuring a baby grand piano here, as you can see. We have tons of upgrades in this house. Very, very nice. We have accent walls painted. We have the engineered hardwood, and we have porcelain tile, brand new, just put in last month in the kitchen and bathrooms. We also have upgraded bathrooms as well. So then we flow into the kitchen area, which is nice. You have the nook, and then it opens here with the nice tall ceilings, very open concept, overlooking the big backyard. On your right, you're gonna have the upgraded bathroom with the 2 bedrooms. And then on the left, we have a fully upgraded master bathroom. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. It's like an oasis in there. Then we have the walk-in closet with the built-in shelving and the master bedroom, which overlooks the back as well. And then we come here into the family room, and then we're gonna go outside. Check it out. All right, so now we step onto the back patio here, which overlooks the big backyard. You're gonna love that. You could do anything you want back here. You have a fence that you could put in. You have plenty of room for a pool. You know, as you can see, plenty of room for the kids to play, pets to run around. They even have a little garden here on the edge. And then you have the corner view of the conservation, which is really nice. And even with that, I mean, the homes are not close at all. I mean, these homes are very well spaced here with the big lots. So again, come check it out. You're gonna love the price. So much to offer in this price point, being a gated community and all the above amenities. So again, my name is Phil Colbert here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. My number is 321-287-3913. Thank you.